All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage. Today is the day we're going to find out who won that super clean giveaway. But before I get to that, I just want to let you know that to whoever wins, my email address is going to be in the description box below for you to email me your shipping information. I will pass that information along to Super Clean, and they will send you the prize package. Okay? Prize package ain't coming from me. It's coming from Super Clean. But anyway, yeah. So let's get to it.
I put in the tray.
Nope, there you go. There you have it. Congratulations to Eat Carbs Outdoors. Mark, I hope you enjoy the Super Clean. As soon as you email me your shipping information, I will pass that along to Super Clean, and they will send that out to you directly, I guess. To all you guys that are new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. We certainly hope you stick around and enjoy the content, and just know that there is more giveaways to come. So, you know, it is what it is. There can only be one winner. Well, there was only one winner in this giveaway. But anyway, thank you to everybody that participated in the giveaway. Thank you to all the new subscribers that came to the channel. Like I said, I hope you guys stick around. And well, I guess that's it. We'll talk to you next time, I guess. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time.